Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. Today, I'm going to encourage you to plant your leftovers. Stay with me. Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. You know, I got this idea because when we prepare meals at home, we usually don't throw away our leftovers. Well, some people do, but I don't. And I am pretty much a one-man show, so sometimes things fall through the cracks. Sometimes things get left. So what you're looking at are 3 different types of plants that I found laying around that I am going to replant. On the far right, that's the most obvious one. That's garlic. In the center, I'm soaking this ginger because I'm basically going to break it in half and replant that. You see it's already started to grow. And over here are Scarlet Runner beans from 2 summers ago. So we'll see how that goes. I have these 3 pots that I showed in the opening. I'm not going to do anything with this soil. I'm just basically going to take out the weeds and loosen it up a little bit. And I'm going to transfer these into here and see what grows. It's that simple. Not complicated, not time consuming. Whatever grows, that's a bonus. I happen to think all of them will grow. So we'll see. This is a straightforward procedure. These are the beans that I'm going to replant. And these vines get pretty tall. I like these because they come up with pretty red flowers and you get food. I'm not going to open all these because I don't need them all. It's a small container. It's dried out, just pop them open and pretty much all that's to it. As a matter of fact, I have too many beans for this pot that I'm using. I'm going to use these beans. I'm going to plant them about 1 inch down into this soil. Now as these grow, I'll add more soil onto it. And moving on now to the elephant garlic. This should go down with the pointy side up. I could have actually taken the peel off of these first. And get my camera straightened out here. And I want to cover these about 1 inch or 2 also. Last but not least, let me get these over here. This is the ginger. Ginger does not require a lot of depth in the soil. I usually make sure that mine is about 1 foot down. And let me see if I can move this over here. Be easier for me to manage. There. So I'm going to just press this down in the soil. You want, these are rhizomes. You want them facing up, but in this case, I have some on this side and some on this side. So I'm just going to put this down flat like that. and I'm going to cover it with soil. I'm going to need a little bit more soil than what I'm using here, but you get the idea. That's it. So this is my leftovers. Leftover garlic, leftover beans, and leftover ginger. So the Scarlet Runner beans will probably take the longest amount of time. Well, no, that's not true. The ginger is going to take 7 to 9 months. That's partial sun. I'm going to put these in their permanent place, and I will keep you guys updated. But for now, I am the Frugal Gardener, and when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Thank you for subscribing. Post your questions below, your comments. I'll catch you the next time. Have a great day.